What if I told you there's an AI website that can help you make money online in 2026?
Seriously, please tell me the AI website so I can make money easily online.
I'm going to show you one of the best AI tools beginners can use right now to start making money online. And the best part? You can start with just your phone. So stay till the end because I'll also show you 3 real ways to turn this tool into income. Let's begin. The AI website we're talking about today is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is only for asking questions or writing homework. But smart people are using it to make money every single day.
But I don't know how I can make money with ChatGPT AI. Do you know?
No, I don't. Let's watch the video to learn.
So how can you use it? Let's break it down. Number 1, freelance writing. Thousands of businesses need product descriptions, blog posts, captions, emails, and website content. Many small businesses don't have time to write these things. That's where you come in. You can use ChatGPT to generate drafts quickly, improve them, and sell your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to business owners. Imagine charging $20 for one caption package or $50 for a blog post. Now imagine doing multiple jobs each week. That's real money. Number 2, social media management. Many brands need content ideas every day. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, captions, hooks, hashtags, and content calendars. Then offer monthly social media management services. Even one client can pay you consistently every month.
Wow, monthly social media management services. That's very epic.
You can use ChatGPT to create ebooks, study guides, planners, prompt packs, resume templates, business name lists, scripts, and more. Then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or through social media. Once you create it once, it can keep selling again and again. That's passive income.
Passive income? Wow, I like the sound of that. Ensure you watch this video to the end in order to make money with ChatGPT.
Then use AI voice tools and editing apps to create videos without showing your face. Many channels are growing fast using this method. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Recommend tools people need. Create content around them. Use ChatGPT to write reviews, captions, blog posts, or scripts. Then earn commissions when people sign up through your link.
I am a YouTuber and I use ChatGPT to write my scripts. But you should try that too.
Prompt 2. Write a viral Instagram caption for a skincare brand. Prompt 3. Create a 1-week content plan for a small fashion business. These prompts can help you create services people will pay for. Now, very important warning. Do not copy and paste raw AI content and expect success. Use ChatGPT as a tool, not a replacement for effort. Always edit the content. Add your own touch. Improve grammar. Fact-check where needed. The people who win with AI are the people who combine AI speed with human creativity. Now let's talk about how to start today. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Step 2. Choose one skill people need. Writing, captions, ideas, emails, scripts, resumes. Step 3. Practice every day for 1 week. Step 4. Create samples. Step 5. Start offering your service online. You do not need to know everything before you begin. You just need to begin. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing, but a few people take action. Be part of the few.
Thank you, Hi's AI Daily Lab, and this really means a lot. You should subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any educating videos.
Use the tools available to you. Start small, stay consistent, and grow. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI money-making ideas, subscribe to AI Daily Lab. Drop a comment saying "Start" if you're ready to begin, and I'll see you in the next video.